Today we are doing chapter 4 basic geometrical ideas of maths NCERT and a very important topic types of lines. Here we will discuss all types of lines that are basically used in mathematics. Then number 1, parallel lines. Here it is written the lines that do not intersect each other when we extend them are called parallel lines. तो ऐसी लाइंस जिनको हम एक्सटेंड करें और उसके बाद भी वो कभी भी इंटरसेक्ट ना हो, कितना भी हम उन्हें एक्सटेंड कर लें लेकिन वो आपस में इंटरसेक्ट ना हो, these type of lines are called parallel lines. In the figure you can see there are two lines, and when we extend them both then they do not meet each other. They will remain always at a equal distance. That's why they are called parallel lines. Example, railway tracks. You can see railway tracks. These tracks cannot intersect each other because they are at a proper distance, equal distance. And opposite walls of a room cannot intersect each other because they are at the equal distance from each other. And many more examples are also there. Now second type of line is intersecting lines. So the lines that do not intersect each other are called parallel lines. Now this is the second type of line, intersecting lines. The line that cut or meet each other are called intersecting lines. तो जो लाइन आपस में मिल जाती हैं या एक दूसरे को कट कर जाती हैं उनको हम intersecting lines कहते हैं. Or the point where the line intersect each other, that point is called intersecting point. तो यहाँ पे फिगर में देख सकते हैं आप, there are two lines and they are cutting each other. That's why they are called intersecting lines. Now this is third, concurrent lines. This concurrent line is a type of intersecting line, but there is a difference. A concurrent lines are the lines that intersect at a single point. Here you can see there are many lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, but they are intersecting at a common point, at a single point. Here you can see कि ये 5 की 5 जो लाइन है वो सिंगल पॉइंट पे काट रही हैं. अगर कोई 5 लाइन हो या उससे कम है या उससे ज़्यादा है जो सिर्फ एक सिंगल पॉइंट पे ही कट कर रही हैं, तो these lines are called concurrent lines. Now fourth point is perpendicular lines. तो perpendicular lines are also a type of intersecting lines, but the intersecting lines are called perpendicular lines when they intersect at 90-degree angle. In the figure you can see these two lines are intersecting at 90-degree angle. That's why these lines are called perpendicular lines. Now horizontal lines. When a line moves from left to right in a straight direction, it is a horizontal line. हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन रनिंग फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. अगर लेफ्ट टू राइट कोई लाइन जा रही है तो हम उसको बोलते हैं हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइट, और वी कैन से स्लीपिंग लाइन. क्वेश्चन, दिस इज सिक्स्थ, वर्टिकल लाइन्स. When a line runs from top to bottom in a straight line is called a vertical line. जब top से bottom की तरफ जा रही है then we will called vertical line, or we can say standing line also. Now seventh, coincident lines. So these lines, when two lines or shapes coincident lines and shapes are when they are exactly on the top of each other. Like here you can see in the figure there are two lines, one is red, one is green, but you can see green line is on the red line. Here you can see the green line is on the red line. So green line is the coincident line of red, or both are coincident lines because they are lying over each other.